Mutual induction. It is the phenomenon of generation of induced EMF in one coil due to current flowing through the neighboring coil. When current through neighboring coil varies, it produces a varying magnetic field within the coil. And if the second coil is associated with the magnetic field produced by the first coil, then EMF is induced in the second coil. This phenomenon is called mutual induction. Look at this diagram. It consists of two coils, S1 and S2. S2 is having radius R2, which is larger than radius of the coil R1 for S1. Now, when current I2 passes through the coil S2, a magnetic field is produced within the coil. Let B2 be the magnetic field produced by the coil S2. And the coil S1 is of shorter radius, is placed coaxially within the coil S2. So the magnetic flux linked with S2 is partially associated with coil S1, or the magnetic field produced by S2 is same within the coil S1. Both the coils are of same length L, and let N1 be the number of turns in the coil S1 and N2 be the number of turns in the coil S2. Let us see what is the magnetic flux associated with the coil S1. Let phi B1 is the magnetic flux associated with each turn of the coil S1, and it has got N1 number of turns. Total flux associated with this coil S1 is N1 into phi B1. And we know the flux associated with the second coil is depending on current passing through it. So, the magnetic flux associated with the coil S1 depend on current I2 through the coil S2. So we write N1 phi B1, which is the flux associated with S1, which is proportional to I2, or N1 phi B1 is equal to a constant into I2. That constant M is called coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. From the equation number 1, what is mutual inductance? We know M equal to N1 phi B1 by I2, or mutual inductance is denoted as M or M12. That is mutual inductance of first coil with respect to the second coil. How to define mutual inductance? Mutual inductance is defined as the total flux associated with the first coil when current through the second coil is unity. Mutual inductance of first coil with respect to second coil is the magnetic flux associated with the first coil when current through the second coil is unity. We know the unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Now let us see how to define 1 Henry. 1 Henry is the mutual inductance of one coil with respect to the neighboring coil. If 1 Weber magnetic flux is associated with one coil, when unit current, that is 1 ampere current, passes through the second coil. So mutual inductance is 1 Henry for a coil if flux through the same coil is 1 Weber, when current through the neighboring coil is 1 ampere. Another expression for mutual inductance can be obtained using Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. We know N1 phi B1 equal to Mi2. Let us take the differentiation with respect to time. d by dt of N1 phi B1 equal to d by dt of Mi2. Since m is a constant, we take it out of the differentiation sign. Now d by dt of N1 phi B1 equal to m into d by dt of I2. According to Faraday's laws, we know d by dt of N1 phi B1 is the magnitude of induced EMF in the first coil. So m equal to magnitude of induced EMF in the first coil when rate of change of current through the second coil is unity. Here also we define Henry. 1 Henry is the mutual inductance of the coil. If 1 volt EMF is produced in the coil due to a rate of change of current in the second coil 1 ampere per second.